As you may have seen a few days ago, I teased a video about a keyboard made in Blender. And when I said made in Blender, I wasn't joking. Have a look. As you will have seen, this is a video showing the replica keyboard I modelled and animated in Blender, inspired by the keyboard I made in real life a few months ago. As you can see, I put a large amount of effort into this. I went to the extent of modelling both the inside and the outside of the keyboard, down to the last screw. There will be a video in the coming weeks on how to make the keyboard, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. I'm really happy with the result, even if there are a few things that I would change, which I will talk about in the next video. It took me several weeks to get this far, so if you enjoyed it, I would really appreciate it if you commented down below or if you rated the video with a like. If you have any questions or suggestions, I would be happy to reply. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.